What's going on, guys? It's your boy Alex here, back from Royal Street Krew. Today we are doing some more modifications to the Falcon. As you can see, the headlights here have a bit of clear coat fading, so we bought some new headlights over here. They do have angel eye halo rings in them, so yeah, we're going to get to installing those today. We have to pull the front bumper off, get the headlights out, and then replace those. Alright, so I'm getting a quick before. So this is before, and then we'll get to installing the new fit. So to remove our front bar, we'll start off by taking these clips off. There's a few here, 2 on this side, and then a couple this side, and then 2 at the front of your grill. And then this whole piece is going to lift up, so you pull all them clips out. There's the screwdriver head clip, and then they just pull out. Easy like that after you unscrew them. So once you've got all them clips out, there will be 2 little pull tabs under here, and then you just pop them up. Freaking hell.
3 weeks later.
Okay.
There you go.
So they're little like push tabs. Just push them in and it should come out. And there's 2 bolts, one on each side, so one here and one over here. I'm going to pull those out, and then we'll get to, there's a few clips we've got to pull out behind here, and then the bar should come off, no worries. So after we got our screw-bits out from in the guard, we just had a few screws underneath the bottom of the under trainer there, and then the front bar should be ready to come off. So then you should just be able to pull it, and it should come loose. Same for the other side. Leave that resting down there while we change our headlights. Alright, so unboxing our new headlight again. Nice brand new lenses.
Zoom up on that.
As you can see, they got the angel rings around the headlights there. Alright, these are our new low beam globes. They are H4s. They are Philips the Extreme Visions. Just so we can get as much vision as we need at night time. Okay, so we're about to pop our headlights back in. These 2 wires we're going to wire to the Parkers. So when the Parkers come on, our angel has come on. Everything clicks in. Nice and easy. Give them a quick comparison.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, nice. Nice and brand new. Alright, so we've got that side finished. Now we're going to pull the upside out. We'll show you how to change all the globes and everything over there. And then we'll get the bar clip back on. Okay, so we're doing our passenger side headlight at the moment. You've got a bolt here. There's one on the side just there for the bracket, and then there's one down the front here. You won't be able to see it, but just under this little shroud in there. Okay, so our low beam globe in here. Just pull the dust cover off. You've got this little tab thing here. Just push that in to the side. Nice. Usually that doesn't happen, but that's okay. That's our old globe. We will not be needing that. So again, push in to the side, and that'll come straight out. Okay, we're in. Now we've just got to put the bolts back in, and then we're going to do some electrical things. Alright, so we've got everything bolted back up. I'm going to leave the grill out just to see how that looks. But now we're going to get onto doing our wiring. We're going to wire these two wires into our two little Parker wires there, so they come on with the Parkers. Got our two wires here for the angel eyes, and now we're going to splice into these two wires on the back of the Parker light. I'm guessing black's ground, so we're going to do ground black to black and then red to brown there. So we're going to splice into these. I've stripped the ends back of these, and then we should be good to test them out. Alright, we're hooked up, we're wired up, and we are ready to test. Hey, we got them working. Awesome, they look sick. Very happy with those. Again, I will drop the link for them in the description. I'm going to get the foggies changed to white ones as well, because they do not look very good being silver, but they look absolutely amazing. I'm happy with them. So what we did to hook them up is we just stripped back both wires. The red went to the brown, and then the black ground went to the black ground. And that's how we wired them up to there. So that's going to be it for this video. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you leave your comments with any ideas of what you want to see next. And remember, RSK to family, spread the word.